Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Amazon Fire TV as a smart home control hub, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, turn on your Amazon Fire TV. Navigate to the home screen using the remote. On the top menu, select Settings. Scroll to the right and choose Device and Software. Look for the option labeled About. Select. Once the update is complete, your Fire TV will restart. After the restart, return to the home screen. Reopen the Settings menu. Scroll to Preferences and select it. Go to Privacy Settings to manage data sharing. Ensure that device usage data and collect app usage data are enabled for optimal smart home integration. Now, navigate back to the home screen. Search for Alexa in the search bar to enable voice controls. Select the Alexa app and follow the prompts to link your smart home devices. Once linked, test your smart home commands using the remote or voice. Returning to the home screen again, scroll to the Apps section. Download and install any necessary smart home apps compatible with your devices. After installation, open each app and follow the prompts to set them up. To consolidate control, use the Fire TV remote or voice commands with Alexa. Make sure that all devices are on the same Wi-Fi network for seamless operation. As a final step, explore different Alexa routines for automation. You are now ready to use your Amazon Fire TV as a smart home control hub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.